video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site. Now it's time for us to take everything we've learned so far in this course and use it to analyze a couple of the most iconic old-school style solos of all time to really deepen our understanding of the overall scope and some of the possibilities for playing in this style. Now, we'll be looking out for the use of the quinto lock and figures and phrases that derive from it, upbeat or offbeat figures, some of which will be used to create tension or as transitions between musical ideas, different melodic eighth note and triplet shapes, the use of the hemiola polyrhythm, language-based solo phrases, and of course, the occasional chop. So as we listen along, I'll do my best to break down how all of this rhythmic vocabulary is put together and highlight the use of some of the different concepts we've touched on throughout this course, such as the use of space, variation, repetition, tension and release, as well as each conga player's approach to using certain figures and phrases to inspire and develop their subsequent musical ideas. Remember that by attempting to deconstruct each solo, we're essentially making an effort to get into the mind of each player, applying what we've learned in this course to try and understand why and how they went about playing their solo. So let's take a listen to one of the most infamous conga solos of all time, the legendary Tata Wines on Cachao's Descarga Cubana. You'll hear that because Tata's soloing is built on his specific rhythmic vocabulary, figures and phrases that he personally likes to use that are rooted in the Afro-Cuban percussive language, there's a certain cohesiveness to everything he plays. As you listen along, try to pick out where you're seeing and more importantly hearing some of the things we just recapped. Now, this track is in 2/3 clave at a medium tempo, around 108 BPM in cut time. The solo starts about 10 seconds in. And don't forget to download the PDF for this lesson, which you can find just below the video player window. Just absolutely masterful playing, truly rooted in the tradition of the instrument. Great time, feel, sound, and the epitome of a conversational solo. Mixing quinto-based language with pretty much everything we've talked about in this course, really taking the time to express his musical ideas dynamically, leaving enough space in between them for the listener to enjoy each one. So let's do our best to break it down. The track starts off with a killer bass line that really sets the tone for the solo. So innately, after letting the bassist do his thing for a few bars, Tata plays a language-based solo phrase using quarter note triplets starting on the 3 side of the clave, loosely inspired by the bass line. From here, he plays a couple bars of groove to let things simmer before coming in with his next phrase. And check out how the second phrase is just a bit of a variation on the first one, filling up some of the spaces and using some different tones. So let's check out this opening section one more time, and feel free to clap the clave along as you listen. Let's check that out one more time. From here, Tata plays another bar of groove before playing his classic hemiola phrase that we learned in lesson 4, leading in with his palm tip and playing the first accent on beat 3 of the 2 side of the clave. He then plays 2 bars of tumbao followed by 1 bar of baqueteo, which I think really gives him the mental and sonic space to inspire him to play that single stroke roll involving bass tones, and open tones only using his fingers. What keeps this simple shape interesting is not only the fact that his single strokes are impressively clean and accurate, but also that by using different tones and varying the volume between loud and soft, he creates a very dynamic shape over the course of 5 bars. Let's check it out. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what we do on Conga Chops and how we can help you further your skills, come check us out at congachops.com. We've got an incredible library of step-by-step courses and lessons, over 10 hours of exclusive practice loops, hand-picked Spotify playlists for each pertinent course and lesson on the site, and an amazing community forum where you can meet and discuss with other members, as well as get one-on-one feedback on everything you're working on. Just click the link below to grab your free 7-day trial and see what it's all about. Now, please don't forget to show your support for our channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment down below as far as what you'd like to see me cover next, and hitting subscribe so you can catch our new videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.